Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kavetta, a full-time traveler exploring the world with my kids. Over the years, I've been using credit card points and bonuses to help fund my travels. Trust me, leveraging these rewards can make a world of difference in your travel budget. My go-to card is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And today, I'll be sharing my top 5 cards for travel and how they can save you money on your next adventure. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. This card is a favorite among travelers for a reason. You can earn 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 in purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Those points can be worth $750 towards travel when redeemed through Chase Travel. You get 5 times on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3 times on dining, select streaming services and online groceries, and 2 times on all other travel purchases. Plus, there's a $50 annual Chase Travel Hotel credit. Some other benefits also include trip cancellation insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, and lost luggage insurance. It's a solid card for any traveler. And I've been loving the extra little perk of DoorDash. You've been getting, or we've been getting $10 in DoorDash credit every month that I just used to pick up some snacks at 7-Eleven. Comes out free or a couple cents. Best of all, it comes with no foreign transaction fee. Next up, we have the Capital One Saver Card. With this card, you earn a one-time $200 cash bonus once you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months. I recently opened this one too, just a spur of the moment thing. I know there are methods to the madness, but I'm mad, so I just do what I want to do. But I did get this $200 bonus credited to my account in a timely fashion. I just used it to pay down the balance the $500 that I spent, essentially making my $500 purchase only $300. This card offers unlimited 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services, plus 1% on all other purchases. No annual fee and no foreign transaction fees makes this the perfect international card. The Capital One Venture Rewards card is another great option. Earn 75,000 bonus miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which equals $750 in travel. You get unlimited 2 times miles on every purchase, every day, and 5 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. You can also receive up to a $120 credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. For those looking for luxury, the Platinum card from American Express is the way to go. Earn 80,000 membership reward points after spending $8,000 in the first 6 months. You get 5 time points on flights and prepaid hotel bookings once you book through American Express Travel. Plus, benefits like a $200 hotel credit, $240 digital entertainment credit, access to over 1,400 airport lounges, and much more. The annual fee is $695, but the perks can easily outweigh the cost if you travel frequently. Lastly, we have the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. With this card, you earn 75,000 bonus miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. You get a $300 annual credit for booking through Capital One Travel and 10,000 bonus miles every year. Earn unlimited 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars, 5 times miles on flights, and 2 times miles on all other purchases. You also enjoy complimentary access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. This card is perfect for the avid traveler. Using these rewards and miles has saved me a ton on travel. For instance, if you're flying to, say, Aruba, you can book flights from Florida for as low as 8,000 miles plus $15 for taxes on American Airlines. I recently booked tickets and opened a Delta credit card because it offered the best price flight because I'm so last minute, and all the American airline flights that I could use my points on were all in February to March. With a Delta card, I got $500 cash back on my first purchase, which significantly reduced the cost of my last minute long haul flight. I'll also be booking a Hyatt hotel for a week using points, which typically costs about 5,000 points per night. This makes higher end stays incredibly affordable while I look for a long term apartment in the new city. So there you have it. My top 5 travel credit cards that can help you save big on your next adventure. I've linked some of these cards below for you to check out and sign up. Remember to be financially responsible. Points and miles hacking only work if you pay off the card in full and avoid interest or debt. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels. Don't forget to like, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.